Welcome to the Road Legislation course, offered by Andrei Pleșa Driving School in Cluj-Napoca. This course has been designed to help you understand traffic rules in a clear, logical, and easy-to-apply way in real driving situations. We do not focus only on passing the exam, but on developing a driving style that is safe, responsible, and aware. You will learn not only what the law says, but also how to correctly interpret traffic situations and how to react safely. Each lesson is structured so that the information is simple, organized, and easy to remember. The concepts are explained step by step, with practical examples inspired by real-life situations. The purpose of this course is to give you confidence and to help you make the right decisions at any moment while driving. For the best results, we recommend listening to the lessons in a quiet environment and revisiting them whenever necessary. Repetition and understanding are essential to becoming a well-prepared driver. We wish you great success and a highly useful learning experience. Let's begin.